So I'm gonna duck hunt Sauvie Island tomorrow in the morning. I don't have a reservation, so I'm gonna get in line tonight and camp in the back here. Got the sleeping bag all set up. And then just gonna grill up some duck from last time for dinner tonight. Okay, so this is one half of a deboned pintail from the other week. Start out by opening up this skin here. Get some spices going. I'm gonna do a little salt. That thing's going everywhere. Do a little pepper. Get this garlic going. Ginger root. Okay, we got the Coleman burner going as low as it'll go. Got the garlic and ginger in here with the oil, adding a little flavor. Add the duck here. Okay, a little bit of pre-cooked rice. A little bit of rice, broccolini, half a pintail. Living off the land, baby. Wild duck. I also put it in a brine for a couple hours before I cooked it. Helps get a little moisture in there. So I'm parked in line to get a duck hunting permit here at Sauvie Island in the morning. They have first come, first serve permits if you don't have a reservation. I got here at like 7:30 and there was already cars lined up, so guys start getting here pretty early. Had some wild duck for dinner. Got a little heartburn for dessert.